Hi, good morning everyone. So my name is Prabhat. कुछ लोग नए होंगे, वेलकम. एंड so आज हम लोग एक कार्डियो करेंगे फॉर अराउंड 40 मिनट्स. कुछ 10 मिनट वार्म अप एंड 10 मिनट स्ट्रेचिंग एट टाइम. ओके, आई होप आई एम क्लियरली ऑन द जूम. या करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ सम basic warm up. Okay, basic warm up. So let's start with first head up and down, head up and down 10 times. Throughout the exercise you have to just breathe out and breathe in, है ना? Okay, 10 times, 10 times left to right. Okay, left to right, left, right, left, right, left to right. We'll do a neck rotation, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Neck rotation. Okay, like this, clockwise, clockwise, clockwise 5 to 6 times, and then anti-clockwise. Do it slowly, do a full circle with your head. Okay. Okay, let's do a shoulder now. Okay, shoulder. So try to move elbows close together and then back. Clockwise, फिर anti-clockwise. Okay. Let's do a full hand circle. Full hand circle 10 times. Okay. Let's do a alternate hand. दूसरा हाथ. We'll go for anti-clockwise now. Okay. For anti-clockwise. And then the other hand, anti-clockwise. Breathe out, breathe in. Okay. Anti-clockwise. Okay, next, hand wide and close, wide and close, little down, थोड़ा up, and then again down, थोड़ा नीचे, and then again ऊपर. Okay, let's do a hand up and down. Okay, hand up and down. Now we'll do a back bend and a front bend 10 times. Okay, let me show you. So you go back bend and then front bend. Okay, जब front bend कर रहे हो just push your hips back and then come down so that ज़्यादा bend नहीं करना पड़े तुम्हारे spine को. Okay, let's do 10. You can breathe out, breathe in. Okay. And 10. Okay. ठीक है. Next is थोड़ा twist. Okay. Back twist. So go to the right first. 10 counts. Six to 8 times, and then again to the left. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we'll do a waist rotation, है ना? We'll do a circle with a waist. Full circle करेंगे. Clockwise पहले. And then anti-clockwise. Okay, nice. ठीक है. Now next is थोड़ा thighs के लिए just hold and stretch. Hold and stretch. Get balance yourself with a wall also. Other leg. Okay. Next, we'll go for knee rotation. Okay. If you have a knee joint pain, you should not do it. Else, you should go for it. Okay. Clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Six to 8 times. Okay. Next, we'll go for ankle rotation. Clockwise. And then the other. Keep doing it. I'll just get my watch. Okay. Okay. So now what we'll do is, again, welcome all of you. मेरा नाम प्रभात है. हम लोग कार्डियो करेंगे. ओके. कार्डियो में couple of रूल्स ये है कि there is something called active rest and passive rest. Okay. Now active rest में you have to keep walking और you have to keep tapping. कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Okay. या थोड़ा बहुत jogging. Anything is fine. आपके space के हिसाब से. Second thing is that हमारा जो हार्ट रेट है, हार्ट बीट है, ये कम से कम 120 से ऊपर 160 के बीच में होना चाहिए. ओके. I'll keep it around 140, 130. I'll try to maintain that heart rate. और second thing is कि we'll have some reps. 2-3 reps करेंगे, थोड़ा break लेंगे, 2-3 reps करेंगे, थोड़ा break लेंगे. ओके. ठीक है. So what we'll do is let's start with some basic warm up, है ना. थोड़ा जॉगिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं for 30 seconds. जॉगिंग से स्टार्ट करते हैं for 30 seconds. Okay. Breathe out, breathe in. थोड़ा फास्ट जॉगिंग, जंप एंड जॉग. Jump and jog. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Jump and jog. Breathe out, breathe in. Okay. Next one हम लोग keep doing it, keep doing it. Next one हम लोग jumping jack करेंगे, right? This is jumping jack. हाथ को इतना सीधा रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to fold it. Okay? You fold it and you do it. Jumping jack. Okay? So we'll go for jumping jack. 30 seconds. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Breathe out, breathe in. Keep doing it, keep doing it. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go for jogging again. For jog करेंगे. Slow jog. Slow jog. कार्डियो एक्चुअली एनीबडी कैन डू, है ना. जिसके पास हार्ट है वो कार्डियो कर सकता है. ओके, आई मेक इट सिंपल टुडे एंड इफेक्टिव. बस हार्ट बीट को मेंटेन करना है. दैट्स द होल पर्पस ऑफ कार्डियो. कुछ ऐसा एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना है जो लड़के कर सकते हैं, लड़कियां नहीं कर सकते हैं. दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट we'll go for it high knees. Okay, let me show you. So high knees. So people are very new. जो अभी ज्वाइन किए हैं just 1 week, 15 days, है ना. They just have to do it this. और थोड़ा बहुत जंप कर सकते हैं. Okay, little jump you can do touching your hand and knees. Other than that, people who already they should go for this. Okay, 30 seconds के लिए. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Ten more seconds. And done. Let's go for jogging. Slow jog. I can see some people standing only. नहीं. थोड़ा jog करना है. Jog. Maintain the heartbeat rate. See the heartbeat जो मेरा है. It's almost 120 now. Right? Okay. Next is we do this. Okay? पैर को लेके we'll do a kick. Okay? Front kick. Alternate थोड़ा incline करेंगे. One this, one that side. Okay? 30 kicks. We'll do 30 kicks. Yeah. Okay? 30 kicks. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Keep breathing. 10, 15, 20. Keep doing it. 5, 5, and 1. Go for jogging. Go for jogging. 10 seconds jog. Okay. Next one to do is, touch your alternate hand and alternate toe. Okay. We'll do this. Okay. तो हम लोग शुरू करते हैं 30 seconds. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go. Breathe out, breathe in. And done. Again, jog. Let's jog for 30 seconds now. आप टैप भी कर सकते हो. You can do it tapping. Just open that. Okay. Now we'll do a hand walk with the shoulders, right? Hand walk. You can see my mat. Hi guys. So we'll do this hand walk 6 to 8 steps. Plank तक जाके आना है. And you're coming back. Okay, simple. ठीक है. We'll do 12. Okay, 12. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Go to plank. 6 to 8 steps in hand and hand raise. Again, down. Coming back and raise. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Again. Till plank and hand raise. Seven more. Let's do 6 more. Keep doing it. 3 more. Very nice. And last one. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Nice. You can hear me, right? No? Hello? Okay. Again, do a tap, do a walk around. Okay? Two more exercise, okay? Two more exercise, then go for a water break. Okay. Next one, put on the crunches, okay? Cycle crunches, we'll do that. Let me show you how it is, okay? So, you lie down on the mat, हाथ सर के पीछे, okay? And this is on a cycle, right? You are riding a cycle, okay? उसके साथ मेरा back side और मेरा chest, okay? Everything is moving to alternate knee and alternate leg, right? Cycle भी कर रहा हूँ and I'm moving also. अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है, both synchronous नहीं हो रहा है, तो keep cycling, okay? You keep cycling. अगर ये नहीं हो पा रहा तो आपसे, okay? You do only cycling. Do for 30 seconds cycling, okay? Okay, here you go. We'll go for 15 counts. थोड़ा pause करके, okay? Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, hold. 2, hold. 3, hold. Speed man, slow man. 4, hold. 5, hold. 6, hold. 7, hold. Okay. Is it audible now? Okay, some got mute, I guess. Okay, is it audible now? Thank you. Okay. I'm sorry. फिर से करते हैं, okay? We'll do 10 counts now. 5 counts हो चुका है. 10 counts now. We'll do hold and do. Okay, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. 1, hold. 2, hold. 3, hold. 4, hold. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Nice. Be there. 5 seconds के बाद we'll go for another one. Okay. Let me show you this one now. We'll go for normal crunches. Okay, 15 counts. 1, 5. 15 counts normal crunches. Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ज़्यादा स्पीड में नहीं, ज़्यादा स्लो में नहीं. Do in rhythm. Breathe in, breathe out. 9, 10. Last 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Be on the mat, be on the mat. Last 15 seconds. We'll do a leg raise or a cycle, okay? Only cycling we'll do. So you can do this for flip-flops, okay? Let's do this only. Let's do this for 20 seconds, okay? Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flip-flops. आप सर को नीचे रख सकते हो या मेरी तरह ऊपर भी रख सकते हो for more effective. 5 more seconds. And okay, very nice. अभी हम लोग थोड़ा वाटर ब्रेक ले सकते हैं, ओके? स्मॉल वाटर ब्रेक, ज़्यादा पानी मत पीजिए, जैसे लिटिल सिप ऑफ वाटर एंड 30 सेकेंड्स का गैप रखते हैं, ओके? मे बी 45 सेकेंड्स ऑल्सो, ओके? कीप डूइंग इट. और जो लोग वीडियो में नहीं हैं, प्लीज़ आई रिक्वेस्ट यू बी इन द वीडियो. मैं थोड़ा देख सकता हूँ इफ़ यू आर डूइंग करेक्टली और रॉन्ग. इफ हैव यू सम चैलेंजेस, यू आर ओके. Thank you for coming in the video. Okay guys, hi Vibhuti Abu, good morning. Lakshman, hi. Hi Astosh, hi Mahesh, hi Nivedita. Good. Hi to everyone, people who are watching me. Okay. Pani. Okay. Fifteen more seconds. We'll start with burpees. Okay. Okay, ठीक है guys. Let's start then. Okay, let's start with again some jogging. Okay, here you go. 30 seconds jog. Breathe out, breathe in. पानी पिए, रेस्ट लिए. The heartbeat goes to around 80 again. Okay, again फिर से 120 लेके जाना है. Right? So, you know, a lot of people ask me this question कि अगर हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर है और हम लोग कार्डियो कर रहे हैं तभी हमारा ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ रहा है तो क्या हमारा बीपी और हाई हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा. द रीज़न बिकॉज जब भी हम लोग कार्डियो करते हैं देयर आर 3 हार्मोन्स दैट गेट रिलीज. ओके, एड्रेनलिन, नॉरमॉर्फिन. एंड ये 2 हार्मोन्स हमारे जो ब्लड वेसल्स होते हैं इसको एक्सपैंड करते हैं तो ब्लड और अच्छे से फ्लो होता है. ओके, पीपल हु डोंट डू यू नो कार्डियो और सीधा काम पे चले जाएंगे या मे बी स्ट्रेस, देन फॉर देम इट्स ए बीपी. और वन मोर थिंग इज अगर आप वेट लिफ्टिंग एक्सरसाइज करते हो विच इज अबव योर हेड तभी ब्लड प्रेशर की प्रॉब्लम है. ओके हियर वी गो. सो नेक्स्ट विल गो फॉर इज बर्पीज. ओके बर्पी. सो बहुत लोग बर्पी पता है बट लेट मी टीच यू ऑल्सो इफ यू आर वेरी न्यू. सो देयर आर 3-4 एक्सरसाइज एक साथ करना पड़ता है. वन इज यू जंप. ओके कम डाउन ऑन द मैट ऐसे. ओके देन लेग्स आपके ऐसे पीछे जाता है. ओके यू आर कंप्लीटली गोइंग डाउन. चेस्ट एंड बॉडी कंप्लीटली डाउन. थोड़ा अप एंड देन लेग्स आगे एंड देन ऊपर. ओके थोड़े साथ में एक बार सब करते हैं टेस्टिंग के लिए. ओके दिस हाउ यू गो. जंप डाउन, लेग्स पीछे, डाउन, अप एंड जंप. यस कैन आई सी इट? कैन आई सी एवरीबॉडी डूइंग? आप लोग वीडियो में आ सकते हो. राजेश, सुनंदिता, कविता, नीलिमा, रम्या. यस वेरी नाइस गाइस. ऑसम ऑसम. ठीक है मिलके करते हैं. 10 to 10 to 12 राउंड्स मिलके करते हैं. पीपल हु आर वेरी न्यू दे कैन डू 8. People who are old they can do 10 rounds. Okay 12 rounds. Here we go. 5 4 3 2 1 and go. One. मैं थोड़ा अलग कर रहा हूँ. I'm just going for a dips, but for you not. Okay आप पूरा ऐसे you can go down and come up. 3. अपने अपने स्पीड में कीजिए. यू डोंट हैव टू मैच एनीवन एल्स स्पीड. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 12. I'll wait for you. Finish कीजिए please. Nice. Let's go for a tap. Active rest. इसलिए बर्पी को बाप ऑफ कार्डियो बोला जाता है. गुड. I can see all of you can do it. Awesome. Let's go jogging. Second jog. Slow jog, okay? Little jump, little jog. Just be in the rhythm. After cardio, if you go suddenly for rest and again फिर exercise, put a lot of pressure on the heart. नहीं करना है वो. Okay. Next one. Next one थोड़ा ब्रीथ से टो टच करेंगे. Okay. So this is bridge. Okay. So हाथ आप कैसे भी रख सकते हो, आगे एंड पीछे. Okay. This is bridge. Okay. Then touching your toes. Okay. अगर आप ऐसे नहीं कर पाते हो, if you can't do that, sit down
and do a toe touch. Okay, that is also fine. But जो लोग कर पाते हैं, do this. Alternate toe touch. Slowly, fast नहीं करना है. Okay, touch करना है, balance करना है, फिर touch, balance, touch and balance. Okay, this how. Make sure you are little in the bridge position. Okay, that's how. We go for 8 counts, total 16, 1 6. Okay, जैसे मैंने बताया, people who are new, they can go for this also. Okay, people more than 100 kgs also, they can go for it. Here we go. 5 4 3 2 1, go. 1, balance. 2, balance. 3, balance. 4, balance. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 16. Very nice. Be on the mat. Be on the mat. We'll go for a holding position now. Okay, we'll hold it. Okay, we'll go for a side plank holding. Okay, so आप दोनों पैर एक दूसरे के ऊपर रख सकते हो या दोनों साइड में रख सकते हो. ओके, आपका एल्बो और शोल्डर्स एक ही लाइन में होना चाहिए. ऐसे आगे नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे पीछे नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, ऑन द सेम लाइन. और आप हिप को ऊपर करके जस्ट लुकिंग एट ऑन द टॉप फॉर ए 1 मिनट. ओके, आप नए हो 30 सेकेंड्स कर सकते हो. कम डाउन, टेक ए ब्रेक, अगेन गो अप, कंप्लीटली फाइन. ओके, here is the timer. All of you ready? 5 4 3 2 1, go. Keep looking at your thumb. If you're coming down, don't worry. It's completely fine. Practice से 1 मिनट पूरा कर पाएंगे. Keep coming down and again going up. Do it. Don't quit. Very nice, very nice. 30 seconds done. Half time done or half time. $45 done. Keep doing. Keep coming up. Keep coming up. And done. Awesome, 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 guys. We go for the other side now. Okay, let's do for the other side. Okay. Again, elbow and shoulder in the same straight. आगे नहीं, पीछे नहीं. Okay. बैलेंस करने के लिए पैर एक दूसरे के ऊपर या फिर on the side, up to you. Okay. Here we go. 5 4 3 2 1, go. Keep coming down, again going up. Don't quit. Half time done. Keep coming up, keep coming up. Last 10 seconds. Come on, don't quit. And Great guys, awesome. Okay. Okay. I think battery got down. I can still hear. If you can still hear with the one mic. Okay, so we'll go for थोड़ा again 30-second rest and go for some stretching exercises. Okay, take a sip of water. Don't quit. Stretch करके जाना, नहीं तो pain होगा बहुत. Okay, that's how it is. Take a sip of water. Okay, so let's do some stretching now. Okay, मैट में बैठ जाइए. Okay, stretch your legs. Okay, leg pointing outwards. Stretch हो रहा है. Especially on my ankle, I'm stretching. Okay, leg pointing outwards. Stretching. Stretch it completely. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, try touching your leg and down. और थोड़ा going down. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very nice. Now 2 hands, 1 leg. Okay, 2 hands, 1 leg. Hold it, go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for the other leg. Go for the other leg. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to the Padmasana and then walk with your hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up. Internet. Okay, Zoom internet issue. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's do the last stretching part. Okay. I'll give some time because of network. I lost it. Okay, come back. Yes. Okay. Let's do a side stretching now. तो हाथ रख के go for a completely side stretch. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, थोड़ा हाथ को स्ट्रेचिंग, एल्बो लॉक एंड कीप पुशिंग इनवर्ड्स आपकी तरफ.
Look at the opposite side. Okay, keep pushing, pushing inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Here you go.
5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
थोड़ा triceps. Okay. Keep pushing with your head. Okay, keep pushing with your head.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Again, keep pushing your head.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. थोड़ा head के लिए push with your fingers.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Head downwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then
The side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and
great guys. एक फोटो ले लेते हैं. Let's take a photo. Okay. I think there are a lot of people on the Facebook. Hi people who are watching. Thank you guys. See you again.